The rain cools you off, even when you're as hot as broth. Crystal clear pellets shoot through the sky. I felt you as I tasted the rain. But sometimes, the rain can cause a plight, as the clouds spit them out, hitting all in sight. Hailing from the heavens, I endure with all my might, as the fierce winds blew through the air. I watched the projectiles flood the streets. I saw small children with water pooling at their feet. Not even a beat could survive the intense cold, a frigid drizzle that freezes the air, cold enough for a polar bear.